I'm back here with the Telly and the Bigsby, and one thing I decided to do, and I already kind of started doing it, but everything on here is chrome except for the Bigsby. The Bigsby is polished aluminum, and I think it could use just a little more polish to it. So I'm gonna take that spring out, get it out of the way, so I've got room here. I'm going to use my semi-chrome polish. Stuff is great. And it don't take very much. Just a little bit here and a little bit there. Probably do the arm here while I'm at it. And let's take a spot on a rag. As you can see, I've already kind of been doing it. And the dirtier that the rag gets, actually the shinier the chrome gets. It's weird to say that, but that or the aluminum or whatever it is, but that's just how it works. I did gun polishing for local gun manufacturer. Some of you may know them as Springfield Armory, and learned how to polish metal to a high gloss shine using compounds and wheels, and the dirtier the wheel gets, the shinier that the piece gets. So I'm not going for like super chrome polished shiny, but I want to knock any of the tarnish that's on here off of here and just make it a little prettier to look at, I guess. The more you rub this stuff in, the better it gets. Do the arm here. The one thing I'm not happy with this Bigsby is the screw head for the tremolo arm. When they polished it from the factory, they didn't do a very good job, and you can still see a bunch of little scratches and nicks and scrapes and whatever else in it. So with just that little bit of effort, I've really brought a shine to this, and I don't think you're going to be able to see it on camera, but like I say, it doesn't take much, just a little bit, and it'll shine right up. That's what I really love about this semi-chrome polish. It really brings out the shine in polished aluminum, chrome, stainless steel, whatever. Also, if you have an old car, this stuff works great on bumpers and chrome engine parts and emblems and whatever else. It just works great. Also, like if you got, like this has a little tiny scratch in the body right here, so this is mild enough to where put a little dot of that on there, and then I'll take a clean spot in my rag, not one of the spots where the metal was. I polish that just in a circular motion, just like you would if you were, you know, using rubbing compound or whatever, wax, whatever. And my little scratch is gone. Can't do that with lacquer, but with these poly finishes, it works really good. So anyway, guys, the next part will be coming up. I will put strings on it and do the setup. I've polished the frets. I made a bone nut for it, so it's ready to go. but I wanted to polish up that Bigsby a little bit, and I might do a little bit more off camera. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe.